CES 2026 reveals the future of AI, robots and wearables. Future Way, full in-depth conversational script. Let me start with a simple question. What if the biggest technological revolution of our lifetime is already happening, but most people don't realize it yet? Not because it's hidden, not because it's secret, but because it doesn't look dramatic. It looks silent, it looks small, it looks like chips, sensors, and code running quietly in the background. This is exactly what CES 2026 revealed. Welcome to Future Way. Today, we're not reviewing products, we are decoding the future of intelligence itself. Part 1. Why CES 2026 is different from every other year. In previous years, CES was about gadgets, bigger screens, faster phones, smarter TVs. CES 2026 is different. This year, the focus is not on devices. It is on systems. Systems that think. Systems that learn. Systems that adapt without being told what to do. The shift you're seeing is from tools to autonomous intelligence. And once this shift happens, there is no going back. Part 2. AI is no longer software. IT is infrastructure. Let's talk about artificial intelligence first. At CES 2026, AI is not an app, it's not a chatbot, it's not a feature. AI is infrastructure. Like electricity, modern AI systems now operate using multimodal intelligence. That means one AI system can see using cameras, hear using microphones, understand language, interpret motion, analyze biological signals, learn continuously from real-world data. All at the same time, this is powered by advanced architectures like transformer-based reasoning, sparse attention models, self-supervised learning, edge inference optimization. In simple terms, AI doesn't wait for commands anymore. It anticipates outcomes. It predicts traffic before congestion. It predicts fatigue before exhaustion. It predicts failure before breakdown. That's a fundamental shift. Part 3. The artificial brain. Chips that think like humans. Now let's talk about the most important innovation at CES 2026. The brain. Not a human brain, but an artificial one. New neuromorphic processors were showcased. These chips do not compute like traditional CPUs or GPUs. Instead, they mimic biological neurons. They fire only when needed. They process information in parallel. They consume dramatically less power. Some of these chips integrate spiking neural networks, synaptic plasticity models, on-chip learning mechanisms. This allows machines to learn after deployment, not retrained in labs, not updated via cloud. They learn in the real world. This is the foundation for everything else you're about to see. Part 4. Humanoid robots. From programming to learning. Humanoid robots at CES 2026 are no longer scripted machines. They are learning entities. Their movement is trained using reinforcement learning, physics simulation, and imitation learning. Instead of coding how to walk, engineers teach robots balance, momentum, adaptation, recovery from failure. The robot falls. It learns. It tries again, just like a human child. Inside these robots, AI control systems, vision models, tactile sensors, real-time decision engines. Some humanoids are designed for industrial maintenance, disaster response, security and hunting operations, exploration of unknown environments. They don't follow rules. They evaluate situations. That's the difference. Part 5. Hunting and autonomous decision robots. One of the most controversial but advanced demonstrations at CES 2026 involved autonomous hunting robots. Let's be clear, hunting here doesn't mean violence. It means target acquisition and pursuit. These robots can identify objects, track movement, predict escape paths, adjust strategy in real time. This uses vision transformers, sensor fusion, predictive trajectory modeling. In military, rescue, and security applications, this is revolutionary. Machines are no longer reacting, they are planning. Part 6. Wearables. From fitness to biological intelligence. Now let's talk about wearables. At CES 2026, wearables stopped being accessories. They became biological interfaces. Modern wearables now track EEG brain activity, heart rate variability, stress hormones, blood oxygen and chemistry, muscle fatigue signals. AI models analyze this continuously. This enables predictive health intelligence. Instead of telling you, you are stressed, the system says, you will be stressed in 2 hours unless you rest. This changes healthcare forever. Part 7. Brain-computer interfaces BCI. CES 2026 showcased early consumer-grade brain-computer interfaces. These devices read neural signals, interpret intent, translate thought into action, You don't press a button. You think. Applications include assistive technology, cognitive enhancement, focus and memory optimization. This is not science fiction anymore. This is engineering. Part 8. AI at the edge. No cloud, no delay. One of the biggest silent revolutions is edge AI. AI models now run directly on robots, wearables, industrial machines. No internet, no cloud dependency. This means zero latency, higher privacy, real-time learning. This is enabled by specialized AI accelerators, photonic computing, ultra-low power neural processors. Machines now think locally. Part 9. Industrial AI. Factories that think. Factories at CES 2026 are no longer automated. They are intelligent. AI systems predict machine failure, optimize energy usage, adapt production lines in real time. This reduces downtime, waste, human error. Factories become self-optimizing organisms. Part 10. The big question. What does this mean for humans? Now comes the most important part. What does this mean for us? It means intelligence is no longer exclusive to biology. Humans will collaborate with AI, compete with AI, be augmented by AI. Jobs will change. Skills will shift. Thinking itself will evolve. The winners won't be those who resist AI. They will be those who understand it. Final thought. The future is quiet but unstoppable. The future didn't arrive with flying cars. It arrived with silicon brains and silent learning systems. CES 2026 didn't show us gadgets. It showed us a new form of intelligence. This is not the end of technology. This is the beginning of a new era. And this path forward, this is future way.